the Dover elevator at Coronado High School. Ooh, we're going up to B. Never been up here before. Okay, I know what that one is. Let's go to... Has one messed up door. Oh my gosh. There we go. This is one messed up elevator. This must be 1B. What a 1A. Okay. This elevator was obviously added in the 90s. You'll see why. Let's go to 1B. I'm going to show you something on 1B. I want to show you something here. Notice there's a lock right there. It's really strange. It's funny how they didn't put locks on the other side, but there it is. Show you something here. See, that was definitely added in the 90s sometime. You see, and that's it.